Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. If your Windows PC kept freezing like mine, I can help you with that. In this video, I'll show you exactly what works so you can fix it too. Okay, click on the search bar and type Task Scheduler. And from here, select Run as Administrator. If any permissions pop up, just click Yes to give the permission to it. Now, click on the library section to expand the menus, and from here, click on Microsoft. Then again, click on Windows and find an option in the P section called PI. Select it. From here, you will see it will appear an option called Secure Boot. Right click on it and select Disable. Once you have disabled it, right click on the Start menu, and from here go to the Shutdown and Sign Out option and select Restart. I hope if your computer or laptop is facing a minor issue, it will fix it. But if it's not fixing it, that means you have a bigger problem with your PC. Hope this video has helped you. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective. See you in the next video. Bye.